Snickers Crockpot lava cake with my Devil's Food cake mix. Just follow your recipe directions on your cake mix. I already got my water in there. My eggs. All right, now I've got a crock pot. Going to grease it. Pour in my cake mix. Then I've got my milk and my Snickers pudding mix. I have never used this item before. But then the asterisk says, for 1 package pie, use 2 cups of cold milk. Oh, I had 2 packages. Oops. Did I mention reading directions is not my forte? So, as to not waste pudding, I'm putting in a chocolate one. Then we're gonna pour this into our cake mix. We're gonna put our lid on right there and bake this puppy in our crock pot. All right, I have my Snickers lava cake right here. Oh my goodness, that looks so delicious. Okay, so just to add a little extra something, I'm gonna grind up some peanuts. I'm going to take my lava cake. Oh my goodness, oh, look at that. Oh wow. Okay, Mike is not a peanut fan. You wanna try it pre-peanuts?
Sure. That's great.
Pre-peanut.
It's amazing.
Okay, then if you wanna make it more whippy, if you want, you can add some hot fudge. I'm not gonna add hot fudge because I made it extra fudgy, you know, guys, because I messed up. But here's the extra caramel. And if you are a peanut lover, like I am, there's some peanuts. And then if you want, you can add some whipped topping. Oh, yum. Okay. Yes, I know I'm gluten-free, but I'm gonna give this a try because I love Snickers. This is one of my top candy bars. Okay. Okay, that is darn tootin' delicious. Yum.